The Gateway of India, with its regal arches, stands guard facing the Arabian Sea at Apollo Bandar in bustling Colaba area of Mumbai. The most popular tourist attraction, it is the unofficial icon of the city of Mumbai and is a reminder of its rich colonial history as Bombay.
Mumbai's iconic monument, the Gateway of India, was built to commemorate the visit of King George V and Queen Mary to Mumbai, which was then called Bombay, in the early 20th century. The structural plan of the Gateway of India is designed in the Indo-Saracenic architectural style, which was mostly used by the British in India to design structures in the late 19th century. The Gateway of India was built at Apollo Bandar and was designed by the British architect George Whitted. The foundation stone of the famous monument was laid down by the then Governor of Bombay in 1911 and the plan was approved in 1914. The construction of the Gateway of India was completed in 1924. The structure's iconic archway is 26 meters high and joined with 4 turrets and intricate lattice work carved on stones. The arch alone was built approximately at a cost of Rs 21 lakhs. The structure itself is quite majestic and a hybrid of the Arc de Triomphe in Paris. During the British government's rule, the Gateway of India was used as the arrival point for visitors from the West. The last British ships to leave the country set sail from the Gateway of India in 1947. Another iconic landmark, India's famous and luxurious 5-star, the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel, is situated opposite to the Gateway of India. The Elephanta Caves is also a major tourist attraction which is located close to the Gateway of India. Some of the finest eateries in Mumbai, such as Bade Mian, Leopold Cafe and Golden Dragon, among others, are also in close proximity to the Gateway of India. The Gateway of India is a protected monument maintained by the Archaeological Survey of India. The Gateway of India is one of the major tourist locations in the country and is visited by millions across the world every year.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.